So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com's opened up, I want you to go to the main screen here and either select Ethereum right under the favorites icon or go to the top left, press on buy, and then type in Ethereum or ticker symbol ETC. So once Ethereum is selected, I want you to go ahead and either select cash or crypto. So if you wanted to buy Ethereum with cash, you can make sure that cash is selected. You can also select on crypto. So for example, if you wanted to buy Ethereum with Bitcoin or whatever, you can do this through this way as well. Now at the top, you can go ahead and type in. So if you wanted to buy, for example, let's just say one Ethereum right here, it'll show you how much that'll cost. So that'll cost about 5,400 bucks roughly Canadian. And if all looks good, you can go ahead and press on buy this way, or you can go ahead and type in whatever the case may be. Maybe you want to go ahead and do 0.1. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and press on buy that way, and then you can proceed with the transaction for Ethereum. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ethereum on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.